Hi, kindergartners. Are you ready to learn your first sound? Well, guess what? It's not one letter this time. It's two letters that make one sound. When we have that happen, we call it a digraph. Digraph is a big word, but it basically means that two or more letters are making one sound. Let me show you what I mean. Today's digraph is CH. And the letter C says, which you already know, and the letter H says, which you already know. But when you put the two letters together, they don't say, they don't say that at all. They say, ch. We've talked about that before when I say, what sound makes the sound like a choo-choo? It's CH. CH says ch when you put it all together. To make the sound ch, it's almost the same mouth movement as you would make for the sound that J makes, j. But you kind of put your lips together like that. But instead of saying the j sound, you push out the air to say ch, 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 like a choo-choo train. Try it with me. Ready? Ch. Again, ch. Good for you. Okay, we've written the letter C and the letter H together, so we don't even need to practice handwriting, but just as a review, I will show you. Here we have our house and the attic and the basement. Nothing goes into the basement. The C starts at the 2 o'clock dot under the middle line and comes up and touches the middle line, comes down to the bottom and comes around. That's our C. That was the first letter you learned how to write in kindergarten. So you're pretty aware of it right by now, I'm thinking. Okay, the H starts at the top line and comes all the way down and stops right at the bottom. But then you come up on that same line and scoop around down in the main floor. There's your H. One more time. C, H says ch. I have something to show you that begins with the sound ch. It's checkers. Do you play checkers? These are checkers, and I have checkers filling up the container. It's about halfway filled. So how many checkers do you think are in the container? You can put your guess on the chart. Oh, there's a CH word for you right there, chart. So you can put your guess about how many checkers are in the container on the chart. And while you're filling in charts, put a word or two that begins with CH on our chart. Let's see how many CH words we can come up with. How about it? Are you ready to make a chicken project? I had to dig mine out. It got a little bit messy, but so you can get the idea from what I have here. But you will be getting two pieces of white paper, a piece of yellow paper, a piece of red paper, and some wiggle eyes, and a paper plate. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to trace your hand 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are going to be the chicken's wings. Basically all the chicken's feathers, and you're gluing them on the back of the plate. You're going to trace your on your red paper, you're going to trace your hand once. Some of my fingers fell off here, but it basically is going to be the top of the chicken, the little crown on the chicken's head. And then you can take your red paper and make a little waddle for the chicken, like the turkey has. Your yellow paper, you're going to trace 2 times. You're going to trace your hands, and those will be the chicken's feet, and also you can make a beak out of it. I just did basically 2 triangles together, and then when you glue it down and open it up, it's a beak. And then I glued on my wiggle eyes, and I took a black marker and I made sort of circles around the eyes. And that is my finished chicken. You can make your own chicken however you want. If you want, send a picture or put it in the stream. I would love to see how your chicken turns out. Have a wonderful day.